Keeping your fire extinguishers in check isn't only about compliance. It's about making sure they are readily available and in proper working order. Monthly quick check inspections are essential. First, ensure your extinguisher is in its designated place, is visible, or provided with an extinguisher sign and accessible. Inspect for physical damage, corrosion, or a clogged nozzle. Here's an example of an extinguisher that needs service. As you can see, this extinguisher has been operated because the gauge needle is in the red and the tamper seal is broken. This extinguisher is how it should look. The operating instructions should be legible and facing outward. The service tag should show annual maintenance was performed within the last 12 months. Check the condition of the nozzle and hose. Recording your inspections is crucial. Most choose to keep records on a tag attached to the extinguisher, noting the month, year, and the inspector's initials. Now repeat that process with all of the fire extinguishers in the building. Remember, if you find any issues during your inspection, contact an extinguisher service company immediately for corrective action. Consistent monthly checks and annual servicing helps assure your extinguisher will work during a fire emergency. Extinguishers save lives, minimize property damage, and ensure safety.